Let's get straight into the tutorial. First, open FL Studio. For this tutorial, we'll be using the free version. Now, download the WAV file of your song, for example, Suno, and drag it into the playlist window in FL Studio. Once the file is loaded, click on the wave icon and select Extract Stems. Wait for the extraction process to finish. When the stems are ready, delete the original track to keep things clean. Select all the extracted stems. Then click on the mixer icon. On the first track in the mixer, right-click and select Channel Routing, then choose Route Selected Channels starting from this track. This will automatically route the stems in sequence down the mixer console. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen, click the drop icon, then click File, and select Open Mixer Track State. This will allow you to load a mixer channel preset file. Once the preset is loaded, compare the sound of your track with and without the preset applied.
Feel the vibe, it's everywhere. Cut the tree, the night will flare. Into wonderland we share. Frosty nights with neon.
The preset includes an OTT multiband compressor, which is free to download. You'll find the link in the description. Load it up and adjust it to your liking. After that, let's load the ADC Transient plugin, another free VST, also linked in the description. Use this to refine the punch of your drums. You'll notice a clear difference when switching the Transient plugin on and off, especially in the drum dynamics.
It will flare into wonderland we share. Without a tear, electric holiday in the air. Feel the vibe, it's everywhere. Cut the tree, the night will flare. Into wonderland we share. Without a tear, electric holiday in the air. Feel the vibe, it's everywhere. Cut the tree, the night will flare. Into wonderland we share.
Now, listen to your track with all the plugins in context.
Electric holiday in the air. Feel the vibe, it's everywhere. Cut the tree, the night will flare. Into wonderland we share. Without a tear, electric holiday in the air. Feel the vibe, it's everywhere. Cut the tree, the night will flare. Into wonderland we share. Without a tear, electric holiday in the air. Feel the vibe, it's everywhere. Cut the tree, the night will flare. Into wonderland we share. Without a tear, electric holiday in the air.
Toggle them on and off to hear the changes. The difference is striking. Your track will have more dynamic punch and louder, clearer sound. Using this preset, you can quickly master your tracks to reach commercial loudness, which is typically around 10 RMS. If you have any questions or need help with your AI art or music production, feel free to join us on Discord. Links to all the resources mentioned are in the description. Thank you and enjoy creating.
Frosty nights with neon ice. Sky lit up with bright surprise.